Do you want to know what machine learning tools winners use? The folks over at ML Contest put together a list of all the tools that recent Kaggle winner and other competition winners have used. I like this list because it both emphasizes accuracy for tools as well as tools that allow a lot of flexibility, because often in competitions you want to run lots of different experiments. These tools help you do that. For programming languages, Python's way ahead. When we look at deep learning, PyTorch has been gaining ground and is really the go-to toolkit. When we're working with Python, Pandas NumPy scikit, that's the way to go. For NLP, transformers. For vision, both CNNs and transformers are useful. For tabular, the gradient boosted machines like GBM, XGBoost, CapBoost, all are up there. One of the things you can do is ensemble those with deep learning models, which often works. When we're looking at hyperparameter optimization, Optina. Techniques like k-fold cross-validation and ensembling are both crucial techniques for winning and to eke out the maximum accuracy. If you're trying to think about what hardware to use, these competition winners some of them use cloud, some of them use local machines, some of them use Google Colab. All were NVIDIA cards. This is a great list and I largely agree with it. If you feel any differently, add your suggestions in the comments.